G'day HeroFit family, welcome back to the HeroFit family room. Great to have you. It's workout time again, and today it's all about glutes. Booty, buns, bum, whatever you want to call them or it. Let's build some strength in your posterior chain. Building a great set of glutes is not only looks great, but it really helps you move better and feel better too. When you get strong glutes and you get good at using them in your everyday life, it takes pressure and load away from your lower back, which is a weak point for a lot of us. So I've got a little exercise before we begin, which is going to help you get the most out of the movements in today's workout. I call this gripping the floor. You call it whatever you want. Stand tall, feet about hips width apart. And what I want you to do is lock your knees out, squeeze your glutes hard so you've got straight legs. I don't know whether you can see my legs there. Straight legs, squeezing your glutes, and then you're going to pretend you're screwing your feet into the floor. Your heels are going to come in towards one another, and you're twisting your feet into the floor, and you should feel your glutes squeezing really hard if you're screwing your feet in towards one another. Almost picture your feet on two dinner plates and you're screwing your feet into the floor, twisting the floor, and you should feel your glutes in an entirely different way if you're not used to engaging them by doing this method. Use this whenever you're standing tall, whether it's at your standing desk, because we all have those, don't we? Or if you're doing the dishes, or if you're changing a nappy. If you squeeze your glutes, screw your feet into the floor, you're going to feel your glutes and engage your glutes in a completely different way. We've got 6 exercises for our glute and cardio exercise today. You can throw cardio, your version of it, in the rest period to get the heart rate up if you want to, but you don't have to. We've got a 40-second lunge to start with. It's really going to target the glutes. Then a single leg glute bridge, then some rest or cardio, a frog pump. It's a weird one. I'll show you in a sec. Another single leg glute bridge, and we'll up the ante a little bit there and finish with rest or cardio, up to you. So we're going to start with 40 seconds of rotational reverse lunge. You're stepping away to the side, like so. Reverse lunge with rotation. You should feel it in this glute, in this glute, in this glute. Only go as low as you're comfortable. The lower you go, the more glute activation you get. Keep going, guys. 20 seconds to go. You should be feeling that in these glutes every time you drop down. Don't take your knee too far over your toe here. Look after your knees. Reverse, rotational, lunge, done. Rest for 20 seconds, and then we do 30 seconds each leg of a single leg glute bridge, which looks like, if you don't have a hero dog in the way, make sure you can touch your heels. 3, 2, 1, one leg up and press up nice and tall. Squeeze this glute every single time. We're on the left leg now, squeezing your left glute nice and hard every time you push your hips up high. 30 seconds here, and we'll swap straight to the right leg. Keep going. 5 seconds, and switch. Left leg up, and we're pushing hard through your right glute. Now focus on pushing through your heel here, and you're going to get much more glute activation. 20 seconds to go. So you can lift your toe off the ground if it helps. You don't have to. Just make sure you're pushing through your right heel here to get them as much as possible out of your right glute. 5 seconds, and done. Glute bridge is done. You are resting or cardio here for 1 minute. 50 seconds to go. You can jump around like an idiot. You can dance. You can do high knees. You can do star jumps. You can do whatever version of movement keeps your heart rate up. What is Hero Dog doing? He's lost his ball. All right, next one in 30 seconds is the frog pump. It's a weird one, guys. It'll look weird. It'll feel weird. Will it build big glutes, strong glutes, healthy glutes? Yes, and that's what we're here to do. In 20 seconds, you will start your frog pump. You're going to set up in this position, your feet touching one another. Bend your knees. Get rid of Hero Dog. Yeah, good boy. And up you go. Feet together, bend in the knees, and push your hips up high like in a normal glute bridge. This is a normal glute bridge. We're doing it with your feet together. As I said, it's a weird one, guys, but it's a ripper. 20 seconds to go here. You should feel that hard in your glutes here, particularly your glute medius, for what it's worth. 10 seconds to go. Squeeze hard at the top. Frog pump nearly finished. And 3, last one, 2, 1, and done. Whoa, look out. All right, you're resting for 20 seconds. Then we go back to the single leg glute bridge. You can do the same version of what you did before, or you can change it up a bit by lifting your leg up. This one goes out to the side. And then it's a normal glute bridge. The further this one is out to the side, the harder the exercise. This is easier, this is harder. We're going for 30 seconds here. Squeeze hard at the top. I'm going to position myself here for the next one, and hopefully you can make sense of it. 30 seconds here. You've swapped legs now. This one is the hardest version with your leg hanging out to the side. This is the easiest version. 20 seconds to go, guys. Push hard through that heel. Good squeeze in the glutes. 5, last one. And finished. Resting, cardio, your version of it now. Have a rest, do some cardio, rest for the entire minute, do cardio for the entire minute. Your version of it. At the end of the next 45 seconds, you will have completed 1 round. Have a rest for as long as you want. Come back to it, do another round, do 3, do 4. Your version of what you can fit in your situation. Strong set of glutes, got the heart rate up, and hopefully you are feeling stronger, healthier, and happier. Another massive favor, guys, if you hit this logo up here, that will get you subscribed and you won't miss a video. Catch up on all the other videos that we've made here. And if this video was useful and you did actually like it, please hit the like button. The more buttons you press, the more it helps us grow this HeroFit family. And then you can relax. Leave it with me. I'll keep you strong, healthy, and happy. Thanks so much for all your support, guys. It means the world.